So now what I'm going to do is put my shock back in my 690. It's a bit of a Chinese puzzle. This is to get this back in. It shouldn't be too bad. Must admit I've had a little practice at doing it, so just getting this first bit in, and now I've got to move it around to get my X-trig adjuster in, and then in, and hopefully that should be it. Wow, that was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. Okay, so now I just need a bolt. I'll just leave that to hang there for a sec. Bolt. I've got to put it down somewhere, now I can't find it. Ah, bolt. Okay. Bit of Motor X grease. Extremely water resistant grease. Extremely water resistant. Don't know what that means, but there you go. Hopefully extremely water resistant, I guess. Okay, so now let's line it up. Sweet. Okay, so now all I need, so I just want to get this bolt started. Do you believe it's this one? There you go. Nice. That was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be. Brilliant. Silly me in my hasten to have it. I have got to put a little bit of Loctite on this bolt. I think that would be a pretty safe thing to do. It's got a bit of grease on it, but I think, yeah, a bit of Loctite might work wonders. So let's just take this bolt out again. Ooh. Okay, if I just give that a little bit of a clean on the threads. It does go up to a certain Newton meters, but I'll sort that out when I get around to completing the full build. I've got to get some head bearings put on my steering head, so that's what I'll do next. Okay, let's see if we can just line this up again. You watch, I'm going to struggle now. No, I ain't. There we go. That's that through there. Let's just take the weight off the shock a bit. Okay, I'm going to feel better about that. Just need to tighten that up to the correct torque setting. Okay, so I'll just find out what. So, after a quick bit of research, I found the torque value for both of these shock mount bolts is 45 Newton meters, and it says to use Loctite 243. So I put the Loctite on, my trusty torque wrench set to 45 Newton meters. And there we go, 45 Newton meters. Lovely jubbly. Right, okay. So there you go. Might put the bottom one in and complete the job. Okay. Just going to do the bottom shock. Bit of the old WD Loctite 243 on the threads. want to go too mad. Okay, now I just want to put a little bit of grease on the shaft for the bolt, because it's underneath where it catches all the muck. So let's see about getting this one. Oh, crikey. Oh, this is going to be a little bit more difficult than the other one. Okay, so that's that. Aha, there we go. That is that. Cylinder out of the way. That's the cylinder. Going in there nice and easy. There we go. Okay, well that's been the first part of my chassis and suspension rebuild. The swinging arms have all had new bushes and bearings. Same with all the linkage. That's all had new bearings in here. Shocks had new hound bearings put in. Shock's been serviced by Torque Racing, so I'm hoping by the time I'm finished the bike's going to feel very nice. Right, thank you.